Artist Wayne Dowsent. This is my latest digital speed painting. It's a werewolf. This wolfman had to be bad. Big teeth, evil face, piercing yellow eyes, big pointy ears, shaggy matted hair. It was a thing of nightmares. I wanted this werewolf to look like he's changed from a man to a badass monster. So I went with torn jeans and a man-like appearance with contorted limbs and hunched shoulders and thick neck. The background was going to be mist with a moon covered by cloud, but still bright enough to silhouette the wolfman, so I could have all the bright light catching the hair, which I knew would be a lot of fun to paint. I'm painting this in Photoshop, and I'm using about 4 layers, one for the werewolf, one for the background, and one for the bones of the victims. Because as always, I was having so much fun painting, I wanted to add more, so I thought I'd throw in a whole heap of skulls and bones at the feet of the wolfman. Painting in all those skulls was a lot of fun, and picking up highlights from the moon in the background. Once all my layers were finished and I'd highlighted all the hair and the silhouetting around the werewolf, all I had to do was add one last layer over the top of the whole thing and just paint in some very light foreground mist. So that's my take on the Wolfman. Thanks for watching, everyone.